Hey everyone, for today's tutorial I painted these Scanlan Shorthalt nails to finish off my series of Vox Machina manis. To start, I applied a base coat to all of my nails and then painted them all with a pink holographic polish. I then began preparing a decal for my nails by applying a thick layer of top coat to my silicone mat. Once the top coat dried, I used a detail brush and black acrylic paint to draw a basic outline of Scanlan based on his official Critical Role portrait by Kit Buss. I began by painting Scanlan's face and the front of his hair before adding a bit of his clothing to fill some of the blank space on the decal. I then mixed a bit of peach and brown with some white paint and used this color for his face, neck, and visible ear. The paint wasn't opaque enough with the first coat, so I went back over it later. For his hair, I mixed brown and black to create a medium shade of brown. To add shadows to his skin, I added some black and red to the skin color I had previously mixed. I also mixed peach, pink, and white and added this color around Scanlan's cheeks. I then added some more black to the hair color and used this darker shade to add some shadows and detailing to the rest of the hair. Moving on, I started adding in the facial details, beginning with the mouth and nose and working upwards to paint the outlines of the eyes and eyebrows. I then added white to the insides of the eyes and filled in the eyebrows with the lighter of the two browns I had used for the hair. Afterwards, I finished up the eyes by adding brown, black, and white. Once I had finished the facial features, I just went back over my outline to correct any mistakes and added some final details with black paint. After the decal had finished drying, I gently removed it from my mat and trimmed it to better fit my nail. I then attached the decal to my nail using a coat of top coat and dissolved the excess polish using a cotton swab dipped in acetone. Finally, I sealed all of my nails with another layer of top coat. I hope you all liked these Scanlan nails, and I can't wait to start painting the characters from the new Critical Role campaign.